Hello and welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you stopped by. So I'm installing crochet braids today, and here's my base. Now don't worry about being fancy or neat if you do cornrows, because remember, nobody will see them under the crochet braids. And here's the hair I'm using. It is by Motown Tress. It is the 10-inch True 3X pre-looped Passion Twists, and I have them in the color T1B30. I bought 3 packs of hair from my local beauty supply store, and each pack has 3 small bundles, and then each of the bundles has 12 pieces of hair, so you've got 36 pieces of hair per pack. I paid $9.99 for each pack, which in my opinion is a bit on the higher price point for crochet hair, because I think I average somewhere in the neighborhood of about $7 a pack for other crochet hair patterns that I like. But it's fine, it's really okay, because this hair is just really pretty to me. So I'm going to get started with the installation process and then come back and share my thoughts with you when I have all the hair in. All right, let's talk about this hair. It is absolutely beautiful. I like that it's really, really light. As a matter of fact, I was looking at the stock card just a few minutes ago, and it actually says feather light. I know you probably can't see it, but feather light is one of the features of the hair, and the description is definitely true. I have 3 packs of hair in my head, and it just feels like my own fine natural hair. So if you're looking for a very lightweight crochet hair pattern, this is the way to go. As far as the install, it took me about an hour and a half to put all of this hair in, and without a doubt, I know I could have put it in an hour or even slightly under an hour, and that's not including the time it took me to do the cornrows, but definitely it takes no time to install. Now, I had about, I don't know, maybe 10 small cornrows in the front, and then I joined them together in the back just to make about 5, I believe. And that's because in the back my hair is fine all over, but it's fine, and it's thinner back there, so I just didn't need that many cornrows, but it's full. I really, really like it, and it took no time to install, so another definite plus, along with it being lightweight. All right, and the color I have is T1B30. It's a really beautiful ombre. It's not shiny or fake looking like some synthetic hair can be, and it's rather soft. Also, the card does say it is itch free. I noticed that a few minutes ago too, and y'all, I have not scratched one bit, and it's grazing my shoulders or coming a little bit down further than my shoulders, but it's not itching my neck or anything like that, which is a definite plus. If you've had some crochet hair, crochet hair has come a long way. I feel like it used to be a lot rougher and made you itch, or at least it made me itch, but I think it's come a long way. Motown Tress did the thing with this hair. It is soft and itch free, and it's not giving me any type of problem. I love the fullness of this hair. It reminds me of my own hair when I have it in mini twists, and my hair is fine, and it's fine and thin in the back. So if my mini twists look this full, I would just be beside myself. But if you, so this is comfortable for me. This is a comfortable density for me. But if you want bigger hair, fluffier hair, by all means, use more hair. I use 3 packs, but try 4, maybe 3.5, 4, maybe even 5 if that's what you like. The length, I think, is really classy. The color is, it's really subtle. I think it's classy, it's versatile, and it doesn't draw too much attention. It's a beautiful ombre. I have T1B30, and if you are embracing your natural hair, or even if you're not, but if you have been wanting to maybe wear crochet braids at work, in the office setting or the corporate environment, and you're not quite sure how they will be perceived, I recommend this hair. It's beautiful. Again, I think it's classy. The color is nice. There's nothing about this hair that should draw any particular kind of attention. And I am very conservative in how I present myself at work. Very conservative. This is comfortable for me. I have kind of dark sandy brown or light sandy brown, depending on what the time of year it is, if I've been out in the sun. But I have dark sandy brown hair, so this is not too far of a stretch from my natural hair color. The length is professional. I think the style is professional. And the only attention this hair should get should be complimentary attention. And that is why I recommend it. And that's also why I call it the corporate crochet sleigh. This hair gets 2 thumbs up from me. I have absolutely no cons with it. I love the style, I love the color, I love how it feels on my head, and I love how I feel in it. I feel just really comfortable. It doesn't feel like I have any crochet hair or extensions in, and that's a good feeling. I'm not worried about my hair when I walk out the door. But if you like this type of content and want to see some more crochet hair options that are, you know, pretty cool to wear to the workplace, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment for me in the comment section. And if you know somebody who might want to see this video, someone who's looking for some new hairstyles or new crochet hair patterns to try, please share this video with them. I would love for them to see it as well. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.